beach in Jersey.
Bring loads back.
That's it. Ooh, I'll have loads of Jersey chocolate. Oh, okay. I'll leave it to do a thing. Let's have a look at these bricks. Let's investigate what these are. Holding on, I'm gonna be a number one. Look at these bricks.
Is that all shell stuff on there? Oh my god, it's moulded shells.
Oh, wow.